Hey there YouTube. Today we are checking out Geode on iOS and what it brings on Geometry Dash, from extra customization and cool add-ons to a smoother interface and new looks. Let's see how it upgrades your gameplay experience. So in order to get started, minimize everything and go to your browser, could be any which you are using, and go to the address bar, type this appsbella.com. So guys, make sure you are spelling it right so that you can get into the right place. And this is the UI of the site. Here you see a lot of mods and crack version you can get here for 100% free. Okay, let me search up for the Geode. Discover and Geode. That's enough. Okay, tap here to open the Geode installer, and here you see you just needed to tap here in order to start the injection process for your iOS or Android device. It will detect the device operating system automatically. Tap here to get started, and now here it has started generating the Geode for my iOS device. Here you see, and it's been reaching to the 100% almost over here. Unpacking Geode started injection, and here you see that was very easy to get that. And now it has redirected me to the page where I need to install two apps from the list below to complete the installation process, and these are the required apps in order to install and run Geode on your device. That's actually very easy. What you need to do is pretty simple. Just install two apps from the list over here and just sign up there by using your Google account or a phone number. After you do that, stay on the app for minimum for the 30 seconds. You don't have to make any purchase over there, don't have to do any activity like playing the game and reaching to the certain level. Just install and stay there for the 30 seconds. That's how you can do. And here tutorial video also been given. Tap here and it will open up a tutorial video how you can install that part. And let's see if I got in the Geode here, and here you see Geode is being installed as well. Okay, I will show you the menu part, the mod menu part here. That's the Geode version you actually looking for. Okay guys, so that was very easy to install, directly injected to your iOS or Android device without any hectic parts. So guys, enjoy the tutorial video.